Hi guys, Laura here from Hedgehog's Homestead. Today I just thought I'd show you what I'm doing in my packed garage here. I just thought I'd show you real quick that I brought my potatoes in during this cold snap because it's getting down to 20 degrees and I haven't taken them out since, and I'll show you how they're doing. They are doing fantastic. As long as I keep the light on, they go all the way back to that garbage can in there, and we even have new growth on them. Now I'm keeping the lights on, and I'll show you. I just watered, and I gave them some food, some fish emulsion, and there we have new growth on both of those. I might even add some more soil because these are indeterminate potatoes. And here we go. I mean, we have good foliage on this. I don't think that they'll flower unless they get the sunlight, but we'll put them back outside. We'll put them back outside if it starts to warm up a little bit, where it's above 30 degrees at night. I'll just put them outside the garage, so if I have to put them back in, it's no big deal. But that's what I'm doing, and I'm gonna see if we get some potatoes out of this. Because I didn't grow them during the summer season, so didn't get a chance to do that, didn't have a big enough garden. Now let's see what's going on with our loofahs over here. Now our loofahs are starting to change. I do have a little bit of mold on some of them. I just threw one away that was really formed really weird, but they are getting a little bit lighter and they are changing in color on the end. I'm just gonna have to watch for mold because it's so humid. I might go ahead and bring them upstairs. This one's getting really nice and light, and that's what we want, nice and light. This one's getting really nice and light, and that's what we want. This one's starting to turn color, but isn't light yet. I think they're packed too close together and it's too humid out here in the garage. So I might go ahead and move them upstairs in our spare room. But that is what's going on with our loofahs as they develop and start to dry up. Thank you for coming along with me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and try something new. You know, just because it's winter, it doesn't mean that we have to stop growing. I don't have a greenhouse, so this is what I'm doing. I don't have a lot of room, but I'm still doing it. So, you know, sometimes when we need to experiment, because what if we couldn't get potatoes? Are we going to stop growing just because it's winter? Well, we might lose some weight. That would be fun. But anyways, just thought I'd show you what I'm doing. God bless you guys. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. Bye.